You're looking at a mess of piano notebooks that I've put together, and I'm really excited to get these to the piano students for the school year. So here's a tour of what one of the notebooks looks like. This is for a beginner student. It's going to have her method book put inside, and then as we look in, we see the list of the composer bucks, which is the incentive program. Behind that is a really cool lap board that you can use on both sides. You guys will need dry erase markers to work on these, but we will have a lot of fun with these dry erase boards. And then in this pencil pouch, lots of goodies. We have stickers, we have erasers so that we can mark our scales. We have dice, we have buttons to practice 3 times in a row, a pencil, and a colored pencil. And then in the body of the notebook, we have some calendars. The first tab is always going to be music. This is going to be beginner music. The second tab is going to be rhythm work. And then behind the rhythm work is a game. Everybody has a game. And we have staff paper, and then we have some a theory exam just for fun. After we do our theory make it count, we're going to take that theory practice exam. So that is a bit of the notebooks. Some of the students actually from last year have their medals from World of Music or from theory. So congratulations to Buffy for that. The kids who were in ensemble have that. So it's been a really hot and sweaty day getting all of these put together, but I'm excited for our students and ready to learn this week coming up starting on August 24th.